If you're looking for ways to save money on your monthly bills, you're not alone. Many people struggle to make ends meet, especially in times of economic uncertainty. But don't worry, there are some simple and effective strategies you can use to reduce your spending on groceries, utilities, and other household expenses. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks that will help you save money and improve your financial situation. Groceries. Groceries are one of the biggest expenses for most households, but they're also one of the easiest to cut down. Here are some ways you can save money on groceries. Plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you avoid impulse buying, food waste, and eating out. You can use a weekly or monthly menu planner or simply write down what you're going to cook each day. You can also use online tools or apps to help you plan your meals and generate shopping lists. Shop smart. Compare prices and look for discounts, coupons, and sales. You can use flyers, websites, or apps to find the best deals. You can also shop at cheaper stores, buy in bulk, or join a warehouse club. Avoid buying prepackaged, processed, or convenience foods and opt for fresh, whole, or frozen foods instead. They're usually cheaper and healthier. Use what you have. Before you go shopping, check your pantry, fridge, and freezer and use up what you already have. You can get creative and use leftovers or make simple dishes like soups, salads, or sandwiches. You can also freeze or preserve excess food for later use. Reduce food waste. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Americans waste about 30% of their food, which amounts to $161 billion per year. That's a lot of money and resources going down the drain. To reduce food waste, you can follow these steps. Buy only what you need. Don't overestimate how much food you and your family will eat, and don't buy more than you can store or use before it spoils. Store food properly. Follow the instructions on the packaging or use online guides or apps to learn how to store different types of food. For example, some fruits and vegetables should be kept in the fridge, while others should be kept at room temperature. Some foods should be stored in airtight containers, while others need ventilation. Storing food properly will extend its shelf life and prevent spoilage. Compost or donate. If you have food that you can't eat or use, don't throw it away. You can compost it or donate it to a local food bank, soup kitchen, or animal shelter. This way you can reduce your environmental impact and help others in need. Utilities. Utilities are another major expense for most households, but they're also another area where you can save money. Here are some ways you can save money on utilities. Adjust your thermostat. Heating and cooling account for about half of the energy use in a typical U.S. home. You can save money by adjusting your thermostat to a comfortable but not excessive level. For example, you can set it to 68° F in winter and 78° F in summer, or lower or higher depending on your preference. You can also use a programmable or smart thermostat, which can automatically adjust the temperature based on your schedule and habits. You can save about 10% on your heating and cooling costs by adjusting your thermostat by 7-10 degrees for 8 hours a day. Use energy-efficient appliances and lighting. Appliances and lighting account for about 35% of the energy use in a typical U.S. home. You can save money by using energy-efficient appliances and lighting such as LED bulbs, Energy Star-rated appliances, and power strips. You can also turn off or unplug appliances and lights when not in use, or use timers or sensors to control them. You can save about 5% on your energy bill by replacing your 5 most used light fixtures with LEDs. Conserve water. Water is a precious and costly resource, and you can save money by using it wisely. You can conserve water by installing low-flow shower heads, faucets, and toilets, or by adding aerators or flow restrictors to your existing ones. You can also fix any leaks, take shorter showers, turn off the faucet when brushing your teeth or shaving, and use the dishwasher and washing machine only when full. You can save about $170 per year by installing water-efficient fixtures and appliances. Other household expenses. Besides groceries and utilities, there are other household expenses that you can save money on, such as rent or mortgage. If you're renting, you can try to negotiate a lower rent with your landlord or look for a cheaper place to live. You can also consider getting a roommate, subletting, or renting out a spare room. If you're a homeowner, you can try to refinance your mortgage or make extra payments to reduce your interest and principal. You can also consider downsizing or renting out part of your home. Insurance. You can save money on your insurance premiums by shopping around, comparing quotes, and looking for discounts. You can also raise your deductibles, lower your coverage limits, or bundle your policies. However, don't skimp on the coverage you need, as it could cost you more in the long run if you have an accident or a claim. Transportation. You can save money on your transportation costs by using public transit, biking, walking, or carpooling. You can also reduce your driving, maintain your vehicle, and use gas-saving apps or websites. If you have a car, you can consider selling it or switching to a cheaper or more fuel-efficient one. Entertainment. You can save money on your entertainment expenses by cutting the cable, streaming online, or using the library. You can also look for free or low-cost events, activities, or attractions in your area, or use coupons or deals. You can also have fun at home or with your friends and family by playing games, watching movies, or cooking together. Conclusion. Saving money on groceries, utilities, and other household expenses is not only good for your wallet, but also for your well-being and the environment. By following the tips and tricks we shared in this article, you can reduce your spending, improve your financial situation, and live a more frugal and sustainable lifestyle. Remember, every little bit counts, and you can start saving money today.